Hey there, Scorpio! Thank you so much for always being here with me in this channel. So, bago natin simulan ng inyong reading, reminders na hindi po ito for everybody. So, just pick up the messages you think are for you. And kung feel mo na ang reading na to ay para sa'yo, then this reading might be really for you. And syempre, wala tayong gender dito, babae, lalaki, LGBT, cross-watchers, you're all welcome here, mga babes. Just take how this resonates and please apply this into your own unique situation. Kaya naman, without further ado, let's begin and let's see what do we have here for you, Scorpio. Spirits and angel guides messages for Scorpio, please. Nakita ko rito, no, na meron ka rito pinapangarap, no, at talaga naman na parang sobrang gustong-gusto mo yun mangyari. Parang ikaw, sige, kahit kailan nyo na lang po ibigay sa akin, pero gustong-gusto ko po talaga yung bagay na yun. Parang meron ka pang tinitrade, no? Parang kahit hindi na matupad yung iba kong mga pangarap, basta ito na lang. Hindi ganun, no? I can see it happening. Okay? I can see it happening. Pero hindi dahil kinuha at sinunod ni universe yung mga sinabi mo na kahit hindi nyo naputo pa rin yung mga other kung ano, matutupad pa rin yun mga babes, no? Pero meron dito mauunang matupad at yun nga yung bagay na hinahangad ng puso mo, yung pinaka-hinahangad ng puso mo. Yung iba may kinalaman yun sa pagmamahal, pero yung iba naman pwedeng yan ay pinapangarap mo sa yung future, ini-envision mo right here. I can see it happening. Taray. Diba? When you wish, pag gustong-gusto mo talaga yung bagay na yun, no, talagang nasasabi mo lahat, no, na parang kahit hindi na po matupad yung iba kong mga pangarap, di ba? Nagsimula yung dati na parang kagaya nun sa example sa nanay mo, di ba? Kahit huwag mo na ako ibili ng bagong sapatos, basta ibili mo na lang ako ng robot. Yung mga ganun, no? So, nakikita ko dito mga babes, no, that this is you, na may ganun ka. Oh, and this is you na parang kahit kailan ko na lang po ma-receive ito, basta ito na lang po talaga, sure na po talaga, hindi na po talagang babago yung isip ko yan. Nakikita ko rito. At yun yung matutupad, that's the wish fulfillment for you. Yeah? Look at that. Blessings. It's like the hands of the universe. Oh, eto na. Yan. So, yung iba pangarap nyo dito, no, yung bagay na yan, to the point, no, nag-uumapaw ang kagustuhan ninyo na makuha yan. Sa iba, commitment yan ay pagmamahal, no. Pero kung ano yung bagay na hinahangad ninyo, punong-puno kayo ng pag-asa, punong-puno kayo ng hope, punong-puno kayo rito, no, ng kagalakan, no, kapag ito ay matupad na. So, nakikita ko rito na ano man yan, hindi lang yan about love and relationship, no. This is generally ano man yan na hinahangad mo, na sobrang pinatangi mo sa puso mo, na pinapangarap mo na one day sana matupad. Ito na yan mga babes. Okay? Hindi na ito isang sana, kundi finally, it's here. Yan. So, congratulations. See? Oh, yan. Mga mensahe, no, ni universe dito, no, maaaring nakakatanggap ka na ng mga signs and clues na ang wish mo dito, Scorpio, ay mabibigyan na ng katuparan, no. It's in a form of a blessing right here. It's in a form of a message, in a form of a good news right here. Pwedeng yung ibang tao ang mag-deliver sa inyo nitong magandang balita na ito, no, na makukuha na ninyo itong ninanais ng inyong mga puso. So, whatever it is, it's here. It's coming. Diba? Taray! So, yeah, this is you. Okay, you're not letting any negative emotions enter your life. Maybe this is you na parang hindi ka makakapaniwala at first. Maybe this is you na parang, totoo ba to? Nasa harapan ko na ba talaga ito yun? Yes, babe. Nasa harapan mo na talaga yan. Kasi, alam mo kung ba't mo yun sobrang hinahangad? Kasi minsan mo na rin dinout sa sarili mo na parang, either hindi ko to deserving, this is too good to be true, or this is somewhat big. This appears to be impossible for others. Yan, may ganun ka. But it's here. It's here, Scorpio. Believe it. Okay? You have to take that blindfold off. You deserve this. Okay? I know you wish this. Nag-trade ka pa. Kahit na hindi na pumatupad yung iba kong mga way. You will be in tears of joy. You will be emotionally super happy here. There's a lot of delightfulness and bliss into your energy. This is you being fulfilled, satisfied, contento. Thank you, universe, for giving me this blessing here. Ito talaga yung pinakahihintay ng puso ko. Ito talaga yung pinakaaabang-abang ko. At ito na yon, no? At nung dumating na ito at parating na sa harapan mo, you feel like that you're dreaming here. Like, is this for real? Yes, it is, Scorpio. Whatever it is, it's here, it's real, it's coming. Messages are giving you the signal, signs, clues right here. Maybe you're seeing a lot of angel numbers. Bigyan ko kayo ng angel numbers. 1111. Maybe you're seeing that. 4444. Especially if you're wishing for the manifestation of your money goals right here. Dreams right here. If that is a soulmate partner in life, future spouse, 222 number is for you. 1111 right here, and 777, wonderful. 999, get ready because your parcel here is about to be delivered right at your doorstep. I can see you here being really, really happy, no, with the 10 of cups energy. Yeah, I'm picking that up. Beautiful. So yeah, see, celebration it is. Ano talaga yung pinakahihintay mo, whether that's money, whether that's love life, whether that's about business here, whether that's personal growth, whatever. This will put you into tears of joy, period. This is achievement, this is success, this is you. Excited to tell your friends, excited to tell your family na nakuha ko na, ito yung pinaka-wish ko. Ito na talaga, manilibre ako, umorder na kayo. Yung mga ganon, no? I can see excited to tell this good news to your genuine friends, to your soul tribe, to your community right here. I can see you here telling this and sharing this with your favorite people. And they will be happy with you. Yeah, kahit hindi mo na sila ilibre, no, pero sounds good sa kanilang tenga dito. So, nakikita ko dito, Scorpio, na kung ano man to. I'm so happy for you, babe. Because this is what you've waited for. At hindi talaga biro ang maghintay. Ikaw nga, di ba, na pumila ka sa Sanggupsal. 2 to 3 hours kang pumila dun. Di ba, pagdating mo sa loob, no? And, alam mo yung tuwan-tuwa ka, no? Bukod sa gutom na gutom ka. Kasi hinintay mo yun eh. Pinaghirapan mo yun. Hindi ka umalis dun sa place na yun. Na chinaga mo talaga. So, nakita ko dito na deserve mo ito. Yan, no? Deserve mo ito, mga babes, no? Kaya hindi ka makakapaniwala at first, but it's here. Nakikita ko dito. Okay, so we have here the Three of Coins energy. A lot of celebration, a lot of telling other people. I can see you also engaging with other people. Pwede yung pangarap mo is may kinalaman rin, no, sa pag high honor or pag-level up mo sa yung career, sa yung business, sa yung life. I can see you here connecting with other people. If it's business, I can see that your business is growing. You're connecting to more clients, customers, buyers right here. I can see you improving, excelling right here. I can see you here, okay, doing in the internet, okay? Maybe you are putting a website or baka pwedeng umorder dun online and then level up ka, no? Pwede ka na mag-ship, no, out of the country. Yan. So, I can see you here, okay, that whatever it is, it's coming, okay? You have to believe that it's coming, Scorpio, because it's here. See, all of this ay ang mga bagay na hinahangad mo. Okay, so yun yung nakikita ko rito. This is you. You will be in this state of mood kung saan sobrang happy ka. This is you na sobrang bilis ng shift ng pagpapalit ng emosyon mo because you will really feel blessed about this thing right here because this is blessings. First card, first energy, blessings agad. No, ayan na. Okay, ito na. No? And this is somewhat something that will give you satisfaction here and contentment. It's moving. Gumagalaw. No? May paggalaw ng baso rito, no? Kung hinihintay mo yung ex mo bumalik sa'yo, no, nauna pang gumalaw tong mga blessings sa buhay mo, no? So, nakikita ko rito, mga babe, claim this. Because whatever it is, ito na yun. Ito na yun, yung pinakahihintay mo. Yeah, see? Abundance. Strong. Independent. This allows you, okay, to show yourself even more. Okay? You are being palibot right here with the coins, abundance, prosperity, love, everything that you want is here. Stability, coins, permanency, whatever it is, business, career, job, love life, everything is here. Yeah, you're moving away from yung parang lagi ka na lang nagiging option. Or lagi na lang na ito lang kasi yung pwede, kaya ito lang yung mga napipili mo, whether sa mga material na bagay or pwedeng connection before, no? Pero ngayon, pwede ka pang makapili, no, ng deserve mo. Yan, no, this is your judgment right here and you patiently waited for this one. Temperance is here. Okay, akala mo lang, no, hindi ko naririnig dito ni universe with the 2 of swords, pero eto na yun, Scorpio. Everything. Abundance, healing, personal growth. Yeah, Empress is not here, but I can see you can get there. Okay, you can get there. Continue shining and continue thinking positive because you're gonna, okay, kung mabilis na yan, mas mapupull back mo pa yan, no, ng mas mabilis. So, thank you so much, Scorpio. Congratulations and I'm really happy for you, mga babes. Claim this and receive this because it really comes from the bottom of your heart. You patiently waited for this. I know because I'm seeing that, and I know because I feel the vibe. So I know that you deserve this. So thank you so much, Scorpio. Love and light, and